Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a super common tripping point, the article "the". We all know "the" is essential, but there are some words that never get "the" in front of them. We've got 16 examples for you today, covering everything from places to abstract ideas. Let's dive in. Number 1. Countries. When we talk about most countries, we don't need "the". It's just the name itself. For example, I've always wanted to visit France. Country names are usually proper nouns, and they stand alone as specific entities. They don't need an article to define them. 2. Continents. Following that, the same rule applies to entire land masses. For instance, many ancient civilizations flourished in Asia. Continents are vast geographical categories treated as unique proper nouns. 3. Cities. And when we narrow it down even further to cities, the pattern continues. Like in, we are planning a trip to London next year. Like countries, cities are specific, singular proper nouns and don't require "the". 4. Streets. And now let's talk about getting around. When you are talking about a specific street name, leave "the" behind. Take this case. My office is located on Elm Street. Street names are treated as unique, specific proper nouns similar to city names. Number 5. Lakes. Moving on to beautiful bodies of water, let's consider lakes. To demonstrate, we spent our summer vacation by Lake Superior. Specific lake names are proper nouns and function as unique identifiers. 6. Mountains. And speaking of natural wonders, if you are referring to a single mountain peak, you skip "the". For example, he dreamt of climbing Mount Everest. Similar to lakes, singular mountain names are treated as specific proper nouns. 7. Most islands. Likewise, when naming a single island, it's a solo act. For instance, we are flying to Bali for our honeymoon. Single island names are proper nouns. Note, this changes for island groups, but for these 16 words we are sticking to the basic rule. 8. Languages. Now let's shift gears to how we communicate. When you are talking about a language itself, "the" is unnecessary. Like in, she speaks Japanese fluently. Languages are abstract concepts and treated as proper nouns when naming them. 9. Subjects, fields of study. This also applies to academic subjects. Take this case. My favorite subject in school was history. Fields of study are treated as abstract nouns or proper nouns when naming them. 10. Sports. And let's not forget how we play. To demonstrate, they play tennis every weekend. Names of sports are treated as nouns referring to the activity itself. 11. Meals. What about what you eat? For example, what are you having for lunch? Names of meals are generally used without an article unless you are referring to a specific, previously mentioned meal. 12. Days of the week. And when we talk about scheduling events, we skip "the". For instance, we have our team meeting every Friday. Days of the week are specific proper nouns that don't need "the" when used generally or with every. 13. Months. Similarly, the months of the year stand on their own. Like in, my birthday is in August. Months are specific proper nouns. 14. Holidays. "The" is unnecessary with those special times of the year. Take this case. We are excited for Christmas this year. Holiday names are proper nouns. 15. Uncountable nouns. When you talk about these things in a general, non-specific way, you drop there. To demonstrate, I need some advice on this project. Uncountable nouns represent concepts, substances, or abstract ideas that can't be counted individually, so they don't need a definite article when referred to generally. 16. Abstract concepts. When we speak about abstract concepts generally, we do not need there. For example, freedom is a precious right. These are abstract ideas, and in their general sense, they don't require a definite article. So there you have it, 16 words and categories where you can definitely leave there behind. Remember, this is all about sounding natural and precise. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tips to boost your English fluency. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now!